going on, diecast collectors? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Yesterday I went to my local flea market and I was in the toy section and I came across this guy. This is a loose Greenlight Dodge Ram Charger, and the year of this Charger is 1978. Maybe about 3 years ago I saw this at Hobby Lobby and I just passed it up for some odd reason, and I went back later on that same day and it was gone. So I guess the Ram Chargers by Greenlight are pretty popular, and somebody was telling me that it won't be there when I get back, but I was lucky enough to find this loose, so now it's in my collection. And this one has an opening hood. Since it's an older Greenlight, this Ram Charger casting came out in 2008, and it's been coming out in different liveries. Not that many, to be honest with you, but this is one that has an opening hood. A lot of the newer SUVs that came out recently don't have opening hoods, even their pickup trucks. And I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I'm glad that this one does. And I just love the color on this Dodge. It just screams 1970s since it's a 78. And it comes with a tow hitch and a spare wheel. And these are Goodyear tires, by the way. This is a pretty heavy truck as well. It's pretty solid, to be honest with you. Here's a little glimpse of the back wheel, and so I guess this is lifted, and Greenlight did a great job when it comes to the lift on this thing. I wish they sold these lift kits separately for customizers with other vehicles by Greenlight, and I think the only thing they have that's customizable is their wheels. You can buy separately. This is number 4239 if you want to look for numbers. And here's the side of the vehicle. The paint job is amazing. I think I mentioned that earlier, but I said it again. It's like a vanilla French vanilla color. I don't know, like a vanilla ice cream vanilla. I don't know, but it's nice. But yeah, this is your Ram Charger, and it doesn't have that wobbly roll to it or that crazy lean from some of their older castings, or recent. If you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that too, and I'll see you on the next one. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.